name is Dugan Clark. I'm the designer of the TUUCI shade products you've recently purchased. Today, I'm going to show you how to both unpack and set up your umbrellas. What you've received is a box which contains the shade anchor and another box which contains your umbrella. Let's go ahead and start unpacking. Hi, starting with the shade anchor box, you've received two 200-pound galvanized steel plates with a security stem. We're going to remove these from the packaging and bolt them together. Because the finished base weight will weigh 400 pounds, it'll be important to transport it to the position that you're going to be using it before you assemble the stem to the base plate itself. So I've got my stainless steel studs, I've got the holes lined up, and I'm going to insert the studs through the holes. Okay, now that we've lined up the two galvanized base plates with each other, and we've installed the stainless steel studs beneath them, we're going to install the stainless steel base plate on top of the studs. My assistant is holding the studs in place from behind the base plate while I install a lock washer and a nut on top of each one of the threaded studs. With a 3/4 inch socket drive, we're going to attach the security stem to the galvanized base plates. Now that we've attached the stainless steel plate to the galvanized base plates, we're going to carefully and gently set the base plate down in the desired location. Your stainless steel base stem has leveling feet on it to adjust the pitch of the umbrella depending on the grade or level of the area which you will be mounting your parasol. To expose these bolts, you can lift up the rotation plate and centering bushing above the bolts to better access the leveling bolts. First step to adjust the leveling feet is to loosen the bolt on top. Loosen it about 4 rotations, and then with your hand you'll be able to adjust the leveling bolt up or down depending on the desired pitch. After adjusting the leveling feet to the desired pitch, you're going to retighten your security stem to the base plate with your socket wrench. Push your bushing back down in position. We've successfully removed the umbrella from its packaging, removed the plastic sheeting that went over it, and we're ready to mount the umbrella on top of the security stem. The first thing that we want to do is make sure that the cam locking device here is in the open position before we place it on top of the stem. Okay, now that we've stood up the umbrella on its end, my assistant and I are going to lift the umbrella in place on top of the stem. Your parasol comes with a telescoping feature which allows the umbrella to open and close over tables and chairs. This feature has been disengaged for shipping purposes to allow the umbrella to fit into a box. Before deploying the umbrella, we'll have to re-engage this cable onto the car. In order to engage the telescoping cable eye with the traveling car, you need to rotate the crank handle in the counterclockwise position or closed position until the two meet. The cable car comes with a ball detent pin. This pin is used to attach the telescoping cable eye to the travel car. To attach, simply line up the holes of the telescoping cable eye to the car and push the pin through. Your umbrella is ready to be used. Before deploying your umbrella, be sure that the cam handle is in the correct down and lock position. To rotate the umbrella, pull the spring pin, adjust the handle and umbrella to the desired position, and then be sure to put back into the down and lock position. To open your umbrella, unbuckle the securing strap and separate the struts from the center hub slightly before cranking the umbrella into the fully open position. Rotate the crank clockwise in order to open the umbrella. The umbrella will be fully deployed once the telescoping member is completely hidden inside of the mast. And now you're ready to enjoy the abundant shade of your new TUUCI umbrella from our backyard here in Miami, Florida to your backyard. Have fun.